Hey everybody, it's me, Artie, and today we're doing fried green beans. Two ways. That's right, double the delicious. So, let's go cook, come on.
As always, all the ingredients you will need are in the description below. We're going to start by trimming up our green beans. We're going to get rid of the ends. We don't want any of the brown spots or the stems. None of it tastes good. And while you're working, go ahead and give one a try. They're pretty good. Now it's time to blanch our green beans. Boil 2 quarts of water over medium heat. Then add our green beans. We're going to boil them for 3 to 5 minutes. The reason we're blanching our green beans is to make sure they're perfectly cooked once they've been deep fried. Now it's time to make the toasted sesame seed aioli. This is a pretty simple recipe. We're going to combine our Kewpie Mayo, always Kewpie Mayo, only Kewpie Mayo, don't let me see you use anything else, anchovy paste, soy sauce, toasted sesame seed oil, and salt and pepper to taste. And set that aside for later. Now we're going to repeat this process for a garlic lemon aioli. We're going to combine all the ingredients, the Kewpie Mayo, garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste, and set it aside. Let's set up our breading station. We're going to need 2 cups of flour, 2 eggs, and 2 cups of breadcrumbs. Once we have this all set up, it's time to bread. Start with the flour, then egg, then breadcrumbs. The reason we do it in this order is because the flour allows the egg to stick better, which then allows the breadcrumbs to stick better. Now that all your beans are breaded, go ahead and pour the leftover breadcrumbs over those beans and just mix it up in there. We just want a lot of crumbs on the beans because we like crunchy. It's time to make our tempura batter, which is one of my favorite batters because it's so easy to make. We're going to take 1.5 cups of flour and mix in 2 cups of club soda. That's it. Then drop the green beans in, mix them in, and put them on a wire rack until you're ready to fry them up. Now it's time to fry. Go ahead and bring your 4 cups of oil up to 350 degrees. Once we're at temp, we're going to start by frying our tempura green beans. We're going to fry them until they're a light golden brown. This shouldn't take too long, maybe a minute or so. Now that we've fried our tempura green beans to a nice light golden brown, we're going to move on to our breaded green beans. Using the same oil, bring it back up to 350 degrees and gently drop in the green beans. You're only going to fry them for about 30 seconds, so you got to pay attention so we don't burn anything. Now those look delicious. Can't forget our sauces we made. And it's the time we've all waited for, especially me. Let's give these a taste. What do you think, Artie? Are they good? I'm gonna take that as a yes. Yeah, eat the others too. Try them all, buddy. I think we have a winner with these green beans, everybody. If you liked what you saw, like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notification. And as always, get to cooking, y'all. Bye.